Have you ever thought about the following? Do you feel extreme idea is very strong for you to do some matters? Otherwise, you contemplate that. It doesn't make any sense. The extreme idea doesn't make any sense at all. Talking of various matters people need, it is pretty fundamental for people to think of the importance of moderation. You need to be moderate enough to take action in your substantial process to experience necessary things. You really need to go forward with felicity. Felicity produces positive directions. There is nothing you can manage easily. There is a matter of degree, not occasionally, but all the time. I tell you once again, there is a matter of degree. It is said, moderation in all things. Do you need to climb Parnassus? I'd like you to tranquilize yourself to think of the significance of moderation. The extreme idea doesn't make any sense at all.